So, GoPro Hero 13 Black, another year, another upgrade. If you're an adventure shooter, hiker, diver, biker, climber, or the strap it to a kayak, that's right. If you're an adventure shooter, this thing has probably caught your eye. But is it actually worth it? Or is GoPro just recycling the same black box with a shinier spec sheet? And before we get rolling, if you've ever had a perfect shot ruined by blur, we've got you covered. Download our free Sharp Every Time field manual. It's short, it's smart, and totally free. The link's in the description down below. What's new with the Hero 13 Black? Here's the big stuff. Brand new 1-inch sensor. 8K video at 30 frames per second. 4K up to 240 frames per second. HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization. Native vertical shooting. Auto cloud upload when it's charging. Better front screen brightness. Improved voice control and GPS overlays. On paper, this is a major leap, but specs aren't the whole story, especially when you're out in the field. Here's where the Hero 13 Black shines. That 1-inch sensor makes a real difference. Better dynamic range, detail in the shadows, and much better low light performance. Finally, in an action cam, that's wonderful. 8K resolution gives you tons of flexibility to crop and reframe in post, especially if you're doing vertical deliveries. HyperSmooth 6.0 is insane. It's gimbal smooth even when you're sprinting downhill or in full chaos mode. Voice control actually works. It's a lot better now, even with wind and with gear noise all around. You can trigger shots hand-free while climbing or biking. Native vertical shooting. No more weird crops or frame hacks for TikTok or Instagram. It can shoot vertical. That's great. Cloud upload is pretty cool. It uploads footage while you sleep and backs it up. That's pretty cool, especially when you're on the go. But let's be honest, this thing's not perfect. Battery life is still weak, especially if you're in the cold or if you're pushing 8K. Bring at least 2 spares. Menu system, it still lags, and sometimes when you're recording and shooting and trying to change settings, it gets laggy. Voice control is good, but still won't work sometimes in super loud environments, like motorsports or around waterfalls. So who should actually buy the GoPro 13 Black? If you're constantly outdoors and want a camera that can handle mud, rain, snow, sand, this is great. If you make vertical content and want native support with no cropping later, this is the one. If you're tired of carrying a gimbal, this is also great for you. You should skip it if this is live event stuff. It'll probably overheat. If you're mostly in low light, indoors, the sensor still has limits. I don't think you really need this if you already have the Hero 12. And if you don't need 8K, I mean, you can still get these amazing shots. So is the Hero 13 Black the best action camera of 2025? For adventure creators right now, probably yes. For everyone else, maybe not. Maybe not. It's smart, it's stable, and it's rugged. And if you're pushing it hard, you'll still hit some walls, but that mainly has to do with, you know, if you're in a thermal situation or it's battery related. And hey, before you head out, grab our free Sharp Every Time field manual. It will teach you to avoid blur, missed focus, and motion mistakes. Links in the description. So, have you tested the Hero 13 Black yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear real world takes from the trail, water, or mountain. Let us know your thoughts. Tap like, hit subscribe, and keep pushing your craft. Stay luminous, stay bright, find that perfect light. Take care, y'all.